Hi, I'm Cher, and I'm the Operations Manager of PacRim Log Structures located here in Nanaimo on beautiful Vancouver Island in British Columbia. PacRim is actually part of a larger group of companies called the EC Group. We're made up of a commercial construction division, a civil construction division, Gordon's Modular Homes, and PacRim. So we're actually the youngest company in the group. We've been established since January of 2020. So we're coming up on our first year anniversary, which is very exciting. Previous to that, we actually did bring in our product through Gordon's Home Sales. And when Ecklinson Construction purchased Gordon's, we saw that there was a really great opportunity with this product. So we decided to create its own company under PacRim and create a separate brand. You can actually see our logo right there and on my vest. So since PacRim got started in January, it's actually been a really great year for us. We participated in the BC Home and Garden Show in Vancouver in February, just before COVID hit, which was really great for our brand. It got some awareness out of our product, and we actually met a lot of really great customers in that time. So throughout COVID, we weren't really too affected by that. Because our product comes in from Europe, it was still easy for us to ship it over. It actually comes directly into Montreal, and then we rail it to Vancouver and bring it to Nanaimo. So things weren't too affected in that sense. I think because a lot of people were staying home and not traveling and had a little bit more money to kind of focus more on home improvement, it allowed them to focus more on our product, and we were able to provide a solution to that need, which was really great. So just to give you a little bit of an idea of who we are and what we provide. So we are a retailer of premium prefabricated log structure kits. Our catalog is quite extensive. So we've got over 175 different models. They're going to range in size from 36 square feet to 1,600 square feet. Generally in that 36 square feet to 150 square foot range is typically used for sheds and storage, small cabins, work from home or studios. We have a lot of, say, artists or yoga teachers, for instance, that will use our products in their backyard, massage therapists, that kind of thing. Once they get into that kind of 150, 200 square foot to about 300 or 400 square foot, people are using them a little bit more for cabins, chalets, hunting and fishing cabins, especially small garden suites for in your backyard. So they can be used as secondary suites as well. And then we have lots that are in that kind of 400 to 1,600 square foot range that are typically going to be used for more residential applications. We also have garages and saunas as well. And then we've recently introduced our wood-fired hot tub and our custom Bunkie, which features the 2-story loft. So we're constantly trying to expand our product line, and the nice thing is that these offer a very wide variety of uses. So you're not stuck with one thing. Because they're pre-manufactured, your entire kit's going to come with all of the wood needed to build your structure. It's all cut to length and pre-notched in the factory. So everything actually kind of clicks together, almost like Lincoln logs. It's all tongue and groove. It also comes with your doors and windows and any hardware to put it together. So essentially everything that you need to build your kit or your structure is all included in the package. We then work with local building suppliers to offer material upgrades such as a metal or a shingled roof. We also offer floor and roofing insulation, and then we can provide assembly services as well. The nice thing about being a part of a larger construction company is that because we have that civil side, we can also do things like excavations, concrete footings or concrete poured foundations, service tie-ins, service trenching, clearing. We can build decks and steps, and then we can also do the full interior finishing of your unit as well. So we have a lot of people, for instance, that want to put a bathroom or a kitchen in. You can add electrical and plumbing to our units as well. That would all just be done during assembly. You can run conduit up underneath your foundation, for instance, if you chose to. So we can provide those services for you, and we can also assist you with finding local trades that can do that as well if you choose. We can also take control of your engineering and your building permit if you wanted to as well. So we offer a full kind of one-stop turnkey package, especially with kind of the way that the world's going and how long construction can take. These are really great packages for a quick project. A lot of our units will go up within a day or 2 days, for instance, so they're a really great weekend project, and they are easy enough that you could put them together yourself, especially if you have any woodworking or carpentry skills. It would be quite easy in that sense. We do provide assembly instructions and technical drawings as well, and we're here to help you along the way, of course. So we do have paper catalogs in our offices, but we do encourage you to go onto our website. All of our units are there, as well as all of our pricing, lots of specs and pictures as well. So please go and take a look. We also have 3D scans of a lot of our display units, and you can walk through and take a look at those, and then we're of course around for any questions. So we're located in Nanaimo. We're just past the Dew Point turnoff before you reach the airport on the right-hand side. We're actually in the same office as Gordon's Homes, which you've probably driven by numerous times if you've traveled up island. We definitely encourage you to come by and talk to one of our sales reps. We're open Monday to Friday from 8 to 4:30, as well as Saturdays and Sundays by appointment only. Especially during COVID, we just like to make sure that we have a sales rep available to help you. Just recently, we started working with a garden and nursery in Metchosin called Down to Earth Gardens and Nursery. We'll tag them below so that you can reach out to them as well and take a look at their website. So if you're in the Victoria area at all, go and take a look. They have a few display items there as well, and they offer a full catalog so they can answer any questions. If you're in Vancouver or the Lower Mainland, we do have a mobile sales rep. His name is Shane, and he is able to answer any questions that you have as well. We don't have any display centers there yet. We're working on that, but for now, if you're on the island, please head over to Nanaimo. We'd love to see you and walk you through our units, and definitely head on to our website. So we're really excited to be a part of the local business in Nanaimo. With Gordon's, we've been in business for 45 years. So we're definitely, born and bred in Nanaimo. A lot of the company has been born and raised here, and throughout the companies we do have lots of family members that work within the business, which is fantastic. So we love to support local. We understand what local business means. We live and work within this community, and we do our best to try and give back, which is exactly why we wanted to do this promotion as well. So we would love your support, and we'd love to meet you. So come and take a look and enjoy your holidays. Merry Christmas.